Hello, my name is Tony Westbrooks. I'm a trust and estates, probate, and Medicaid planning attorney and owner of Formula Law, located here in St. Louis, Missouri. And I'm currently working on a Medicaid planning project for a current client. And I was alarmed to discover that the cost of a long-term care private room facility in the state of Missouri in 2024 is $110,000 per year. And projecting out to 2029, that cost is going to shoot up north of $130,000 per year for a private room in a long-term care facility in the state of Missouri. And on top of that, the average stay in a nursing facility in the United States is around 2.5 years. So we're looking at an average cost of $325,000 for a nursing home care stay starting in 2029. And if you stay longer, only increase that cost. And if you are in there for a shorter period of time, it would be a lower cost. So when I'm sitting and talking with my clients about what they plan to pass on to their children and grandchildren, I say, well, without any Medicaid planning, how would you feel about giving all that money to a nursing home? They say, well, that's just the way it is. I'm not eligible for Medicaid. And I say, well, while we're having this conversation, what if we can make you eligible for Medicaid and preserve an estate for your children and grandchildren? And I see the lights go off in my clients' heads. And I think that Medicaid sounds less like a four-letter word. And then we can begin to have a conversation of what strategies can we implement while we are doing your estate plan to not only avoid or reduce a potential estate tax, but avoid or reduce a potential long-term care stay private pay hit to your estate plan. So essentially, a nursing home stay is the new estate tax. So the conversation then becomes how. Then we look a little bit closer at the client's financial statement and look at what the estate is made out of. And if my client is not liquid in any way and their estate consists mostly of a home, farmland, or land that's just been in the family for generations, we start talking about potentially liquidating this land to pay for a stay, or making gifts of the land or transferring land out of my client's name in order to pass that on to children now or in the very near future. If you think any of this sounds like it might impact you and or your estate, or you're thinking of preserving an estate for your children or grandchildren while also thinking about or being anxious about a long-term care stay, please do not hesitate to give me a call at area code 314-798-6975, or you can reach me on our website at www.formulalaw.office.com. Thank you.